Okay, good day colleagues. The purpose of this video is to show you how to schedule a class for your students using the attendance tracker or attendance taker for Google Classroom. So step number one is to go click on your Google Apps button. Then you're going to scroll down and click on More from Google Workspace Marketplace. Now you're going to ensure that the email address is correct. So I started off with the maths department email address, so I'm going to have to change it back to this one. Alright. Then I'm going to search for attendance taker for classroom. Click on it. Then I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to install it. The information is given there. Attendance taker for classroom needs your permission in order to start installing. So when click on OK, then I'm going to look for the one that I want to use. So it's the maths department. Hold it into high, click on next, put in my password. Alright, so attendance taker wants to access your Google account. This would allow attendance taker to do the following. You click on allow. Alright, so one of two. I've successfully installed Google. So when I click on next, then when I click on done. Alright, so we have installed it. Now it's time to schedule our class. Now you're using Google Meets, right? Let's go to our Google Classroom now. Let's go to Google Classroom. Again, to ensure you're using the right email. So I'm going to choose a class. Let me see. Let's choose one of my classes, Mr. Bernard. Now I'm going to click on classwork, click on Google Calendar. Then you look to the side. To the side right here, you'll see attendance taker. It's the green icon. So what I use as a landmark is this yellow icon that says keep, then task, then attendance taker. And then I'm going to click on it. Then you're going to click on schedule meeting. Select the class 501. Mr. Bernard there. Put the title of the class. Let's say mathematics. And say let's say ratio. Ratio and proportion. Then the day. Let's say we're going to be using get down some more. Let's say we're going to choose on Monday, the 25th. Now you have to put the time. Let's say the time of the class is, say, give me 1 second there. Trying to find my timetable. Let's assume it is 8 o'clock in the morning. So it says 8 a.m. Good. Well, a matter of fact, it's best to choose from here because the format may be incorrect. So you scroll on, you select 8 a.m. And let's say the class ends at 9:20. So you put 9:30 a.m. because it doesn't have that. Now, if you're using Google Meets, you leave the default. Good. If you notice, all students in this class, so the notice will be sent to all students in the class. If you want to repeat it, you can repeat it daily, weekly, or monthly, but I will just leave it for does not repeat for now. Good. So if you're using Zoom though, then what you'd have to do, you'd have to then copy the URL for Zoom, and then you're going to paste it, not the meeting invite now, but the URL. The URL normally starts with HTTP. So you look for that on the meeting invitation, and you copy the one that says HTTP, then you paste it right there. Okay? But from too many of us use Google Meets, I'm just going to click on Google Meet. So when you do that, you click on schedule. All right. Now, because sometimes our students are very literal, we have to change, just kind of edit the message right here. I always put maths class. And they say this class all right. Now you want the announcement to go on the stream. So when you click announce the classroom stream. All right, so it is there. Now let me go and check now to see if the announcement came. All right, let's go and check. So going on the stream. There you are. It's right on the stream. And that is how you schedule the class using the calendar. All right. Now, I guess you'd like to see how that works. I'm going to go into my email address now and show you how it works. I'm going to go to my Google Calendar. Well, I can show you a spreadsheet. Let me go to the Google Calendar and show you how that works. Here's my calendar. I click on the icon again. I scroll down. I click on attendance report. And I'm going to choose for 303. Now, if I'm going to choose for 303, I have to look for the day that I had the class. So it was on, well, to make sure the year is correct. It was on the 20th. Good. And so I am now going to generate the report. Then scroll up, click on View Reports. So I want to view the report for 303. No, one was already generated before, but let me click on this one and see what this shows me. So this is the result after generating the report. So you see what it tells us. Details. Use your graph. Then we click on mathematics. Tells us which student was absent. What time the students joined the class. Right there. So you notice every student who enrolls would have received this email from Google Calendar. Now, thank you very much for viewing. A video was created for the students to learn how to access their class using that. Well, this is your video. Learn how to schedule the class. Thank you again for viewing.